Alright, doing an unboxing for my boxing. You see that right there? This is the package. See what you got in here. Maybe some stickers too. Title boxing? Maybe I can just send me some of that cash, motherfucker. They got me some stickers, I guess. Stickers. Let's see, this is the. Damn, this bitch is fucking big. I thought it was for, you know, but I guess they're using it for boxing grip, pro grip. Let me see, 500 pounds, 200 kilos. That's way too heavy. But oh well. What are you doing, son? Can you back the hell off? Let me see. Rope lock, tie down. Alright. Let's see. This is what I wanted right here. This is what I'm. Look, you know what? Did you see that fucking Oh, look, they didn't even send me this. I was gonna buy some too, but they ended up sending me this. So I was gonna buy some of these, but shit, they sent me anyways. Look, check that out. They sent me the I don't know what they call these, but they use them on 18-wheelers and shit. Straps. Yeah, but they sent me 2 of these. I was gonna use my own, but hey, shit, I'll use it for shit. They send it to me for free. Basically, I bought the shit. So here goes the bag. Look, you seen that pump? You seen that pump?
I think I seen it in the store last.
Yes, bro, I seen it. I didn't see it in there.
Oh no.
I hope it's somewhere, because I need that motherfucker. Yeah, but this is the. Okay, shit, let me see it.
I don't know if it has anything.
No, it does. It should have it right there. This is the bag. This is the bag, the title bag. It was gyro balance down. It was put in the gyro to balance it. Title boxing. Hit me up, dog. Hit me up. Let me see. It's leather. It's leather. Let me see. Genuine. Genuine makes leather? Yeah, he's a rapper and he makes leather. What? Who?
Genuine.
Right, what is Genuine? R&B singer?
Yeah.
Okay, shit, I'm tripping. But yeah, I got the title bag, got the double M bag with the I forgot what they call them, sling ropes, and some stickers. Post these everywhere in my gym. Here, do you want this, Daddy? You want this? No? Okay. Then I got the tie grip. I think I'm gonna do this from the ceiling down, I think. Yeah, I think I might do that. I don't know. We'll see what's up, but let's go ahead and let's head to the garage. I think I want to do some at the top. Derek, you got my little assistant. Come on, Derek. Yeah, I don't like where this is going already. Yeah. Man, what the hell? Give me this shit. You supposed to be my assistant. You over here just throwing shit, man. Come on. There. switch it up. Let's switch this side to this side. Maybe I can reverse it. Nothing right here. Oh yeah, perfect.